Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you want to make some extra cash from home, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into Swagbucks, a fantastic platform that lets you earn money online through simple activities. Let's get into it. How to make money on Swagbucks. 1. Complete surveys. Surveys are one of the easiest ways to earn SB points. You can make anywhere from 5 cents to $2.50 for each survey, with some high-paying ones offering up to $25. 2. Watch videos. Love watching videos? You can earn points just by enjoying playlists on topics like entertainment and travel, potentially making about $5 a day. 3. Shop online. If you shop online, use Swagbucks to earn cashback at participating retailers. It's like getting paid to shop. 4. Search the web. Make Swagbucks your default search engine and earn points for every search you perform. It's super easy. 5. Play games. Gamers, rejoice! Earn points while playing various games available on the platform. 6. Try new products. Sometimes, you can earn SB for trying new products or services, like signing up for free trials. 7. Daily polls and tasks. Engage in daily polls and complete quick tasks for easy points. 8. Refer friends. Refer friends using your link. When they sign up and start earning, you'll get bonus SB points too. Payment options. Once you've accumulated enough SB points, redeem them for gift cards to places like Amazon or cash through PayPal. Earnings potential. With just 10 to 25 minutes a day, you could earn between $100 to $200 a month. It's a great way to boost your income. If you're ready to start making money online with Swagbucks, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.